Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Kasa Smart plugs with schedules in Kasa. Open the Kasa Smart app on your smartphone. Make sure your Kasa Smart plug is plugged into a power outlet. Connect your smartphone to the Wi-Fi network that your Kasa Smart plug is using. In the Kasa app, tap on the plus icon at the top right corner to add a device. Select Smart Plug from the list of available devices. Follow the prompts to put your Kasa Smart plug in pairing mode. This usually involves holding down the button on the plug until the light starts blinking.
Once in pairing mode, the app will search for your plug. Select your device from the list once it appears in the app. You may be prompted to connect to your Wi-Fi network. Enter your Wi-Fi password when prompted and tap Next to connect. Wait for the app to confirm that your Kasa Smart plug is successfully connected. Once connected, tap on the plug's icon to access its settings. To set a schedule, look for the Schedule option in the device settings. Tap on Add Schedule to create a new schedule. Choose the desired days of the week for your schedule. Select the time you want the plug to turn on or off. You can set multiple schedules if needed. After setting the time, tap Save to confirm your schedule. Review your schedules to ensure they are set correctly. Close the settings, and your Kasa Smart plug will now follow the schedule you created. You can modify or delete schedules anytime by returning to the schedule settings. Your Kasa Smart plug is now set up to operate on a schedule, making your life easier. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested content. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.